Hello everyone, welcome to week 5 of our course. You are now officially more than halfway through the semester. Well done! This is a good point to take some time to evaluate your progress in this course. Please review your grades by clicking the My Grades link in the left navigation bar. Please note that I often include comments with your grades. If you have questions about my comments, please do not hesitate to ask me for clarification. By reviewing your grades thus far and asking questions if necessary, you should have a good idea of what you need to do over the next 4 weeks to ensure that you are successful in this course. Again, please feel free to contact me if I can be of assistance in any way. This week you will read a few new primary texts and you will also finalize and submit your second essay. Be sure, as always, to allow yourself adequate time to complete your work. This week you will read about important literary elements that help build themes and meanings, such as word choice, imagery, and figures of speech. You will also read about structures and forms of poetry. Your 2 primary texts for the week are Emily Dickinson's Because I Could Not Stop for Death and Edgar Allan Poe's The Raven. Be sure to read all readings carefully. I would highly suggest taking notes. Often, students feel intimidated by poetry. It may be necessary to read each poem a few times to help you understand it. It is also helpful to break down the elements of the poem, such as images, symbols, etc., and to look for patterns. If you struggle with this week's poems, please let me know. I have also linked some helpful additional readings for your review. You also have a discussion to complete this week. As always, there are 2 parts. Be sure to follow instructions carefully. Your final task this week is to finalize and submit Essay 2. Before submitting Essay 2, be sure that you have reviewed my comments on your first essay. You should use these to improve upon your writing. I've also included a short video in this week's module that goes over some of the more common issues I noted on Essay 1. Please review this before submitting Essay 2. You'll also notice a folder at the bottom of the module that includes essay resources. I would highly suggest browsing this folder as you edit your essay. Remember that your essays are expected to be well-edited final drafts. The Resources and Course Documents folder may also be helpful to you. Essay 2 is due by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday. I look forward to reading your essays. Please let me know how I can help as you work. Have a great week!